to delete a workspace? Need a clean break? Let's permanently delete your Slack workspace. Only the primary workspace owner can do this. Go back to slack.com or account settings. How you're gonna go is your profile icon. There, go to your preferences. Look for account settings. There at the bottom you can see the option of delete the workspace. Tap on it. Here you can see join the workspace, workspace language, default channel, and many other. If you scroll till the end, there you can see the option of delete workspace. Deleting a Slack workspace cannot be undone. All messages and files will be. So note, don't delete your workspace if you just want to change your workspace name or URL. You might also want to export your data before deleting your workspace. I don't want to do anything but just delete my workspace, so I'll simply tap on delete workspace. Here you are deleting your something, then your brand name or your workspace name will come. There, tap on confirm I understand, then enter your Slack password. After entering a password, tap on yes, delete my workspace. Tap on OK, and then your workspace will be deleted.